Hi, welcome to my channel. Now, this is a Chevy Cruze 2012 model, an LTZ trim. Sometimes you get on your dashboard or your DIC control board, you are going to see something like, or an alert like engine power reduced, whereby you step on the gas and the vehicle is not moving an inch and the sound of the vehicle has changed. It has come down drastically, that even when you step on the accelerator, acceleration is not taking place in this vehicle. So I want to give you a little trick about how to solve this problem. It is not about changing any component. This is an electronic vehicle, so this is what I do to solve this problem. Come with me. Now, this vehicle, when I started, I have this engine power reduce. This is the problem that I'm talking about. So now I off this engine, we get to the engine bay and see how we can solve this problem. So let me navigate between the DIC information. You see I still have the engine power reduce. So let's get off and get into the engine bay and see what happens, how to solve this problem. Okay, we are now back into the engine. So as you can see, this is a 1.4 liter turbo charged engine. This is a 4-cylinder engine. Now, anytime that you get this alert, engine power reduce, especially in this vehicle, that's a Chevy Cruze, what the problem is sometimes amazes people, that they will try to blame a whole lot of things, but this is the trick. Now, this is an electronic vehicle, so you can see that the throttle that controls the acceleration, this throttle is electronic. So sometimes what happens is your connection that you have over here, there are problems with the connection, and since it is electronic, dust, water, or any particle can contaminate the connections in this vehicle. So with this throttle, what you have to do is just remove the connector over here. But before you do that, make sure you disconnect your negative terminal. So we start by disconnecting the negative terminal. So let's start by disconnecting our negative terminal. Now the negative terminal has been disconnected. So from there, now let's now try to get this connector off and reconnect it again. Okay, so we just remove it and connect it again. So as you can see, you can push the button here. Okay, so you can see I push this button back, and then you can see a very small socket over there that is like a connector. So I'll just press here, hold it, then I'll just pull it like this. Okay, so you can see the connector over here. So what I'll do is I'll just take a brush to clean it, or I'll just blow inside this connector to take out every dirt or dust that is there. So now let's connect it back again. So we connect it back. Make sure it's fixed right in. Then we push back our clamp in. All right, so that's done. So let's put back our negative terminal. Okay, so now let's get inside the vehicle, start the car again, and see whether we get the alert again. So we are inside the vehicle again. So we are come to start to see if we will still get that alert. Let's go. There we go. So you can see that our hood is opened. So let's navigate through and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. So we don't have any of the engine power reduce again. It's gone off. It's gone off. That's the end. I screw again, navigate. Let's go through. it's done. So you can see that now this vehicle is now solid and is free from engine power reduce. Thank you for joining this channel.